Python class constants in data classes. Understanding that the below are not true constants, attempting to follow PEP 8, I'd like to make a constant in my data class in Python 3.7. My code used to be Are these two equivalent in their handling of the seed? Is the seed now part of the init/eq/hash? Is there a preferred style for these constants?
They are the same. Data class ignores unannotated variables when determining what to use to generate _in and _al. Seed is just an unhinted class attribute. If you want to provide a type hint for a class attribute, you use typing.classVar to specify the type, so that data class won't mistake it for an instance attribute.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.